much.
All right, turning to our forecast now. It is muggy out there. I got out earlier today and there was a slight breeze, but not enough to cut through the thickness of the air.
No, because it was a tropical breeze. It was maintaining the high levels of humidity. And, you're talking about, trouble for drivers. Maybe tomorrow morning, some drivers could be encountering downpours still around the area with a flood threat tonight. It's pretty obvious what's about to happen here. You can see kind of that string of downpours and storms basically draped now from Liberty back towards Greensburg, that's slicing its way into western parts of the WLWT viewing area. It did have some severe action with it back near the Indianapolis area, back towards Indy. I'm not particularly concerned about severe weather overnight. Sure, I guess there could be a strong wind gust or two, but these are just simply going to be loud, noisy drenchers as they come through, and they are going to yield tropical-like rains when they move through your neighborhood. I'll take some of the lightning off so you can get a better perspective on the radar here tonight. But look at this, again, a virtual wall of water crossing from around the Liberty area back now through Brookville, and then it arcs its way back towards I-74. So let's throw some times on this for you. We're talking about Okeana probably getting in there somewhere, close to 11:30 in the next 15 minutes or so. Miami U, for example, also same deal, the next 10, 15 minutes. This action will move through Butler County with heavy rain, thunder and lightning, and then as it drops back towards I-74 into Ripley and Dearborn counties. Watch out for Versailles, over towards Harrison. All of this action coming your way once again. You can see the times on there. I've drawn this out so that we can see when it reaches the metro. Likely going to reach the metro area somewhere between about 12:30 and 1 o'clock. So that's when it's going to get pretty noisy for a lot of us here in the metro area. So if you have pets or kids, just be prepared for that. You can see this is the entire complex that extends back into Indiana, and you see what's happening tonight. New storms are building on its flank, and that's the issue. With that said, there is a flood watch in effect for areas west and south of Cincinnati because we are concerned in these communities that these storms could train or basically continue building over the same area and could yield some excessive rainfall. So the greatest concern tonight, high water potential, localized flooding, with many of us picking up between 1-2 inches of rainfall. Here's a look at Futurecast. Watch as this comes through. You'll take it through 3-4 a.m., moves out. But watch here into Indiana. This is why the flood watch is up. If this redevelops as we anticipate, there could be a corridor or axis of excessive rain that results in flooding, probably just west and south of Cincinnati. Sometimes these things are a little tricky, so I would say let's keep a close eye on it overnight. Steamy sun returns tomorrow afternoon. It is going to be very uncomfortable, but there's still the chance that with the heat and humidity of the evening, a few scattered storms could develop. And then look at that for Thursday. Indications are maybe a little less hot than previously expected, with maybe some better rain chances. So again, the axis for heaviest rain tonight, west and south of Cincinnati, but I didn't want to get so specific as to move the entire metro out of it because I'm not sure that would be the case. So we've got the weather impact icons taking you through the rest of the night and into tomorrow morning. It's also going to be oppressively humid. The good news is that we are going to see some relief. We've got relief coming Friday and for the weekend. So we're at 77 right now. Look at that dew point at 74. Temperatures are all into the mid-70s. They're not going to drop much tonight given the high levels of humidity and the downpours moving in. 70 for your overnight low with flooding possible out there. And then for tomorrow, well, we'll top out at 87 after the morning downpours. It will get steamy in the afternoon. Here's a quick look at your planner. Again, the afternoon and evening's hot. The morning, stormy, especially if you're west and south of Cincinnati. There's your 7-day forecast, Chris and Ashley. We've got storms Friday, but by Friday evening and night, it's a lot more comfortable, and that should sail us through a nice weekend.
All right, Kevin, thanks.